Hey there, thanks for tuning in. You're watching Dirt Bike Channel. I'm your host Kyle Brotherson, and today we're gonna weigh this 2020 Beta 300RR Race Edition. Stick around. So this is one of the first things that I do when I get bikes in. I've been doing this for quite a while, and I've got a commercial shipping scale that I use to weigh the bikes. Now, those of you who've been around the channel for a while, you'll understand, you'll know. What I do is I fill the bikes clear full of fuel, make sure all the other levels are ready to go. You know, you're full of radiator fluid, you know, your coolant, everything is topped off all the way. If it has an oil reservoir, which this one doesn't, I would top that off, but I just get it all topped off. And this is what I call the riding weight, because I ride my bikes when they're full of fuel. That's when I leave the truck. We're usually going on long trips, and I make sure that the bikes are clear full of fuel. This one does have flag style handguards that come stock from the factory. It also has a very kind of a lightweight skid plate down there that doesn't cover the linkage. That skid plate is most likely less than a pound. I may pull it off just to see, but that's something you'll have to replace anyway because it doesn't cover the linkage. It doesn't have any other aftermarket parts. Everything is stock. The only thing I've done to this bike is I've had it for, I don't know, around a month, and I haven't done anything with it other than just burn a little bit of rubber off the rear tire. Other than that, it's in complete stock form in every way. So let's get my shipping scale out and see how much this thing weighs. Okay, so here it is. It's 244.0 pounds. That's awesome. That's 110.8 kilograms, as you can see there. So 244.0, that is awesome. Let's see how this thing compares. If I compare this thing to its 3-year older brother, the 2017 Beta 300RR, that was 251 pounds. So this thing got lighter by what? 7 pounds. That's pretty awesome. So in 3 years, they've actually shaved 7 pounds off this bike. Well, actually the other one, the one I did before was not a race edition. That was a standard edition. So it might've been the fact that this one doesn't have the oil injection. But that's pretty cool. How else does this compare? So if I compare this to the 2020 Beta 200RR, which is sitting right over there out of the frame, that bike was 241. So this bike is 3 pounds, according to my scale, exactly 3 pounds heavier than that Beta right over there. Isn't it awesome that I have two Betas in the shop at the same time? I think that's pretty awesome. And then if I compare it to the 2019 390, the Beta 390RR Race, that was 259 pounds. So this is what, 15 pounds lighter. So the 2-stroke version of this bike is, you know, it's 15 pounds lighter than the 390 Race Edition that I had. Now, couple things. This does not have a kickstart on it. I believe that the 2017 Beta 300RR, I believe that did have a kickstart on it. So this one doesn't have a kickstart. It doesn't have the oil injection. And so maybe that's why it's lighter, because it's 7 pounds lighter than its 2017 brother. But that's what it's got. So there's a skid plate on it, a cheap skid plate that you'll probably have to replace because it doesn't cover the linkage. It has these flag style handguards that are kind of flimsy, but they'll do the job for a little while, and that's all that this bike has on it. So that's not too bad. Remember that weight on the scale, which we're showing right here, weight on the scale does not translate to weight on the trail, because some of the heaviest bikes that I've had here on this scale felt really, really light. Like for instance, that bike over there, that Beta 200RR, that is a very, very light feeling bike, even though it's heavier than some of the other bikes that I've weighed. So the geometry and the way that they have the weight positioned and how much of it is high and how much of it low, and the geometry of the front end, that means just as much as far as how heavy the bike feels as what the actual scale, weight on the scale says. So weight on the scale is not exactly weight on the trail, but it is one data point. And so I measure them here. A lot of people complain because all the measuring is all different all over the place. Some manufacturers list a dry weight, some list a wet weight, and what I'm doing is I'm just compiling a list of all of the bikes that come through here, and it's a wet weight, clear full of fuel, ready to ride as near as I can get it. So that's what I've got. If you like these videos, please remember to like and subscribe. You can also support me. I have 2 ways to kind of support me, to do a monthly donation if you want, because this is how I'm supporting my family. You can do PayPal. I'm really liking PayPal. You can go to my website and there's a support link. You can use PayPal or Patreon. The cool thing about PayPal is they don't take nearly as much off the top as Patreon. Patreon kind of takes quite a bit off the top. So if you want more of that money to come to me and my family and my wife and my kids, that's a good way to do it. Also remember that this bike, this 2020 Beta 300RR, is going to be one of my next sweepstakes bikes. So I will ride this bike, I will review this bike, do a full review on it, and then ultimately I will be giving it away to you. Someone watching this video might very well win this bike. So just kind of pay attention for those. I have those sweepstakes coming up every now and again. That Beta I cannot give to you guys because that one isn't mine. That was a loaner from Beta. So Beta was kind enough to let me borrow that one. This one they did not provide to me. I bought this, I wrote a check for this thing, and I'm excited to start riding it. I haven't done anything to it yet. I'm gonna put different tires on it because I really kind of hate those tires. So I'm gonna put tubeless on it, I'm gonna put tires on it, I'm gonna lean out the carburetor and a few other things. I'm gonna move my levers forward, I'm gonna put a disc guard on it, I'm gonna make sure my clickers are good, I'm gonna align the front wheel, I'm gonna put a bar pad on it, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and then go ride the sucker. So anyway, that's what I've got for you guys. Hopefully this was enlightening to you and you were like, oh, 244 pounds. So pretty cool. Remember, wherever you go, let's leave a single track. Thanks guys.